So this is a 01 MK4 that I picked up. Haven't touched yet. It's not bad, not too shabby. Got a couple little issues here and there, but it does have a Magnaflo and I like the way it sounds. Go ahead, Chuck. Spin it. Doesn't sound too shabby. I like the Magnaflo in there. Not bad though. Sorry about the lighting. Let's see if we can get some light on this situation. There we go. Little 10-inch wide 18s on the back. There's Mr. Chuck. Got 106,000 miles on it. Check engine lights on because the math is probably fucked because of the way that filter is. And the 9-inch or 9.5 in the front, 18s. It's on case boards, control pros all the way around. Not a bad little car. It's fun. Got some issues, but we're working on it. Just had to do a motor mount. Still got to put one more bolt in, but I got to wait until that gets in. Other than that, pretty solid car. Keep you posted on what we're doing to it. Out.